Why are you snoring so loud? Wait. Oh no. He's sleeping and he doesn't know that the bed is about to crush him. Ow, that hurt. Oh yeah, little did you know I can levitate, so it's like a really cool skill of mine, and you shouldn't judge me about it. BTW, my name is Eating. Yeah, that's my name. No, just kidding. My name is Earring. Like, I'm so beautiful, aren't I? Aren't I? You want to see my daughter? You want to see my daughter? She's like so beautiful. Like, this is my daughter. I don't think she's alive anymore. Okay, whatever. We're not gonna talk about that. But now I have to go get the bed that fell out of my house. Like, this is so annoying. It's utterly annoying. My husband is like so stupid. He shouldn't even be living with me. Like, he doesn't deserve to be living with me. I use the force. Ow. The bed fell on top of me. Anyways, I'm like the smartest girl in the world. Everybody knows, or not everybody knows. People that are stupid don't know. That means everybody doesn't know. And I know that 2 plus 2 equals 1,248. Like, isn't that so cool? Like, I'm so smart. I use Star Wars. I watch Star Wars to like make me do all that. Like, that was so cool, wasn't it? I'm going to move the bed. Get my husband before he notices. Get in bed. I know, I'm like so short, aren't I? Whee! And now put the blanket on him. He needs to stop snoring so loud. Like, it's very annoying. Oh, where did my blanket go? Oh, Blanky! Blanky. I finally found my blanket. My blanket. Cheers. Here's my blankie. Ow. Ow. Anyways, I'm gonna go and get ready, like, downstairs, so. This is my bathroom. Don't watch. I'm getting a shower. I smell smoke and fish, and I don't know what's going on. I think my husband's cooking something. Ew, maybe it's my daughter. Ugh, she stinks so bad. Maybe it's the neighbors. I'm gonna go see what's up with them. Why are you smelling fish? We're making a fish fillet. Like, you have to like try it. And no, I'm not trying fish. Whatever I do in my life is not involving anything fish. Okay, then get off my lawn. That was much better. Now, leave me and my family alone. Got it? She wasn't very nice. Okay, now I'm gonna wash my hands because she smells like fish. So now I'm gonna wash my hands. La, da, 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 la, 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 la. E, 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 e. Oh no, I'm gonna have to call my husband. Yes, my dear. At your service. The sink is breaking. You need to fix it. We need a new sink. This is utterly ridiculous. Like, I spent all this time doing my makeup and that lady, like ruined it. Like, look how bad it looks now. Well, I think it looks just fine. No, it doesn't. You know nothing about makeup. Oh well. Well, that's the end of that. Like for part 2.